Good morning students. So today again we will continue with the same topic, that how a number is divisible by different numbers like 4, 6, 8. These things we will going to learn, that how by applying some shortcut method, how you can say that number which is given in your question is divisible by 4. So we will continue today with that. So a number is divisible by 4 if its last two digit is divisible by 4. Like you see, you can say that a number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits, that means units digit and tens digit, is divisible by 4. For example, 5, 6, 2, 8. Now see 28. You can identify that 28 is the number 28 comes in table of 4. It is a multiple of 4. So this number is divisible by 4. So since the two digit is divisible by 4, this number is divisible by 4. Second example, let's see. 4, 5, 3, 6, 0. See here 60. This is also divisible by 4. As you can see here, 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 4 5s are 20. So this number is also divisible by 4. So that is why the full number is also divisible by 4. Now let's see the third example. That is 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. See, without solving, this is the use of this shortcut, that without solving the whole, you can tell that by seeing only last two digits that this number is divisible by 4 or not. As you can see here in the question, 32 is divisible by 4. So that is why this number is divisible by 4. Now let's see divisibility by 8. So a number is divisible by 8 if its last now 3 digits. If its last 3 digits, that means hundreds digit, tens digit and units digit, is divisible by 8. Now let's see example. Suppose I am giving you first example 6800. You can see here these three these three digits, that is hundreds, tens and units digit, is divisible by 8. As you can see, 100 will come. If you divide this number by 8, 100 will come. So it is divisible by 8. So that is why this number is divisible by 8. Now second example, you see 657,104. See these three numbers. Now you will find that this number is also divisible by 8. How? 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 8 is 24. In 13 table you will get 104. So that is why this number is divisible by 8. Suppose I am giving you example. This number. Now tell me, this number is divisible by 8 or not? Again you have to see these three numbers, hundreds, tens and units. Now let's divide this number by 8. Is this number is divisible by 8 or not, you tell? So this number is not divisible by 8. So that is why this is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. These two numbers divisible by 8, but this number is not divisible by 8. Let's see that how a given number is divisible by 6. What is the shortcut to identify that the given number is divisible by 6 or not? So a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as 3 both. That means if a number is given and if you will ask that either that number is divisible by 6 or not, then first of all you will check that number is divisible by 2 or not. Then you will check the number is divisible by 3 or not. If both the cases is positive, then only the given number is divisible by 6. Suppose I am giving you an example. 6, 4, 5, 5, 3, 4. Now if I'll ask you that this number is divisible by 6 or not, then first let's see this number is divisible by 2 or not. You can see what is the condition of a number to be divisible by 2. So the condition is that you have to check the last digit, that the last digit, if 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 is there, then that number is divisible by 2. Like this one, the last digit, units digit is 4. That means this number is divisible by, given number is divisible by 2. Now let's check the given number is divisible by 3 or not. So what is the condition for divisibility of 3? You have to find out the sum of digits. What will be the sum of digits? Sorry. 6, 4, 10, 20, 23, 27. So you can see that 27 is divisible by 3. So both the condition fulfilled. So that is why this number is divisible by 6. Now let's see divisibility by 11. So a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. Let's see example. By example you can understand this very easily, like 6 888 6011. Now tell me that this number is divisible by 11 or not. So what you have to see, that first of all you have to find sum of digits at odd places. Odd places. See, odd places you will always start with the units digit. Then this one, then this one, and then this one. So sum of the digits you find out 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 6. This will be 15. Now find out sum of digits at even places. Even places you will start with tens digit. This one, this one, this one. So what will be the number? So you can tell, see here, 1 plus 6 plus 8. So this is also 15. Now you have to find out the difference. What is their difference? So the difference is equal to 15 minus 15, that is 0. And the condition is a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places is either 0 or is divisible by 11. Suppose here 22, 33, 44, like that multiples of 11 will come, then that number is also divisible by 11. So this is also divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Now tell me, this number is divisible by 11 or not. Again you have to find the sum of digits at odd places, then sum of digits at even places, and you have to find out the difference. So first of all let's find out sum of digits at odd places. So what will be the sum? See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 17. Now find out sum of digits at even places. What is this one? This will be 28. So now the difference will be 28 minus 17, and you will get here 11. So you can see that it is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. So if the difference 0 come, or if either 0 will come or 11 will come, both the condition is there for divisibility by 11. Number is divisible by 7 if the difference of sum of digits in alternate blocks of 3 digits from right to left is divisible by 7. Suppose I am giving you an example. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. If I'll ask you that this number is divisible by 7 or not, what you will do? First of all, you have to find sum of the digits. In alternate blocks of 3 digits. From right to left. So what will be the sum? As you can see here, from here you will take, from right to left you have to take, then you have to take this 3, and by leaving this 3, again you have to take this 3. So this, so you find the sum 653 plus 678. What will be the sum? This will be the sum. And one more, this one, this, again this 3 you leave, and this one. So 234 plus 5. What will be? 39. Then what you have to do? You have to find out the difference. What is the difference? Now this minus 239. Here you will get 109 and 2. You can see that this number is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by Now let's solve question from exercise 5.3, question number 2. And the question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 4 or 8? You have to find out that which of the number is divisible by 2, 4 or 8. So first question is 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. And second question I will also solve. That is 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 4, 4. So for 2 you have to remember the condition. So for 2 you know that you have to see the last unit digit. So this unit digit, if you will see, if the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then that number is divisible by 2. So this is divisible by 2. Now check the condition for 4. What is the condition for 4? You have to check that the last two digit is divisible by 4 or not. So here 94, you see that it is divisible by 4 or not. So this is not divisible by 4. So that is why this number is not divisible by 4. Now check the condition for 8. For divisibility of 8, you have to see that the last 3 digit is divisible by 8 or not. So let's just take 894 and you have to see that it is divisible by 8 or not. So this number also you can see here that it is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. So you have to remember the conditions of that which number is divisible by 2, 4 or 8. Like this number you see, last digit is 4. That means this number is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Again you see last two digits for 4. So you can see here 44 by 4. Yes, it is divisible. So this number is divisible by 4. Now for 8, you have to see the last 3 digits, 244 by 8. So here you can see that this number is not divisible by 8. This is divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 8. Number 4. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 11? I will solve question number 3. The rest you will do homework. So which of the following numbers are divisible by 11? The number is 504670 and 70. 504670. So you have to remember the divisibility. What is the condition for divisibility by 11? So you have to find out the difference of sum of digits at odd places and sum of digits at even places. So sum of digits at odd places is equal to, odd places means you start from units digits. So 0 plus 6 plus 0, that is 6. Now find out sum of digits at even places. For even places you will start from tens place, this one. So what will be the value? 5 plus 4 plus 7, that is 16. 16. Now find out the difference. So difference will be 16 minus 6, that is 10. Now you tell me what is the condition if 0 will come, or if the multiples of 11 will come, then only this number is divisible by 11. But here 10 is coming, that is why this is not divisible by 11. Now we will solve question number 9. So the question is, in each of the following replace star by digit so that the number formed is divisible by 6. We will solve 2, you will solve 1 in home. So 709 star 9 4. You have to replace the star by a digit. So what is the so that it is divisible by 6. No, it's given. So for 6 the condition is you have to check that this number is divisible by 2 as well as this number is divisible by 3. So for 2 you can see that units digit is 4. So this number is divisible by 2. Now for 3 you have to find out the sum of the digits. Now tell me what is the sum of the digits. 7 plus 0 plus 9 plus star plus 9 and plus 4. So the value will be 29 plus star. Now tell me the 29 plus star. So 29 is not divisible by 3. So what you will add over here so that the number which will come here is divisible by 3. So you can see that let star is equal to 1. If you will take star is equal to 1, sum will come 29 plus 1, that is 30. And 30 is divisible by 3. And since both the conditions are fulfilled, that means 2, this number is divisible by 2, and by taking 1 here, this number is divisible by 3 also. So the value of star will be 1. Proceed further. Let what you will take here other than 1 so that the number is divisible by 3. So if you will take star 4, then sum is equal to, you can see 29 plus 4, 33, and 33 is also divisible by 3. That means both the conditions are fulfilled, and if you take star 4, the value, this one is also divisible by 3. Now one more value if you will take, you will see that this number is divisible by 3. That means if you will take star is equal to 7, sum is equal to, you will see that 29 plus 7, that is 36. And you see that 36 is also divisible by 3. Both the conditions are fulfilled, as hence this number is also divisible by 6 when you will take star 7. Now proceed further. If you will take star is equal to, then again what you will take so that it will be divisible by 3? 39. No. So here 39, if here 39 will be there, then that number is divisible by 3. So here if you will take 10, then sum is equal to 29 plus 10, that is 39. But you see in the question has written that star is only replaced by a digit, but here you are taking 2 digits. So that is why you cannot take star is equal to 10. So the value of star is equal to 1, 4, 7. This will be your answer. So solve all the questions from your assignments, homework. Thank you.